Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw together a Super Saiyan Goku from Dragon Ball. Are you ready? Let's start. Start by drawing the eyes, which have a triangular shape. Draw the eyebrow, and then an elongated triangle for the eye, and a semicircle for the pupil. Follow me step by step, and draw the other eye. Draw a small letter V and a vertical line for the nose, and draw a line for the mouth. Now draw the expression lines between the eyes and 3 slanted lines under the eyes. Let's start drawing the tuft of hair on the forehead. Each one will have a pointed shape. Trace the outline of the face and 2 oblique lines on the forehead. Draw the ears and 2 vertical lines for the neck. Now, let's complete the hair, which is always spiky and pointed upwards. Wow! Our sketch is taking shape, well done! Draw some lines in between the hair to add a sense of depth to the image. Now draw the shoulders, the shirt, and the martial arts suit, the dogi. Then make some lines for the folds of the fabric. Now draw the lines of the chest and the neck muscles. Draw a horizontal line to complete the drawing. Wow! Super Saiyan Goku turned out great! Good job! Now let's get the colors. Use teal for the pupils, pink for the face and body, take the yellow and use it on the hair and eyebrows. Color the tracksuit orange and the shirt blue. You've been really skillful. Super Saiyan Goku is ready for fantastic new adventures. Goodbye my friends, see you soon!